over 7.72% loss in price. Wow, in the past 7 days. Although if you compare Terra Classic to that of yesterday, I think today Terra Classic volume have really increased. Okay, yeah, we saw an increase of about 10 to 15% increase. Now Terra Classic today is actually trading with a coin of 433 billion. Okay, 495 million 38,881 Terra Classic is being traded today. Now, yesterday it was about 300,000 or 352,000, a difference of about over 50,000 Terra Classic coin is being traded. Even though Terra Classic in the past 7 days is actually dropping by 7.72%. Now, this number before the end of the week, if care is not taken, might be dropping down to 15% before the end of the week. But the good news is that Terra Classic might be benefiting from BTC, because right now Bitcoin is about to rise. Bitcoin already started rising in terms of 7 days and also in terms of 24 hours. It's only in terms of 1 hour that we can see red and green fluctuating on Bitcoin. So now, based on technical analysis, based on fundamental analysis, BTC might be rising between now down to the end of this week. BTC might be increasing, might be hitting $27,000 or $28,000 before the end of this week. So I believe Terra Classic can benefit from this Bitcoin price changing. This Bitcoin price that is about to rise, about to pump. And if this rise definitely affects LUNC in a positive way, I believe that Terra Classic might be ending this week with a profit of about 4 to 5%. Okay, despite that we are not really giving all the best for Terra Classic. So let's keep supporting Terra Classic LUNC, and I believe that very soon Terra Classic is definitely going to be at the top. So 7.72% is quite a lot of drop, and I also believe that before the end of this week we might be seeing Terra Classic hitting 1 trillion trading volume in terms of coins, 1 trillion trading volume, 1 trillion LUNC coins, because we all definitely wants to know, and I believe Terra Classic definitely is going to be one of the top crypto coins. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.